Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to install and activate Microsoft Office. Search for Microsoft Developer in your browser. Click on the first link, Microsoft Developer. Scroll down on the page. Click on Microsoft 365. On the next page, scroll to the bottom. Click Join Today. Hit Join now and sign in with your existing Microsoft account. Once you're in the Microsoft Developer dashboard, fill in your country, company, and language details. Check the box and click Next. Choose your preferences. I'm picking Microsoft Teams, then click Next. If you want a custom domain, choose Configurable Sandbox. Click Next. Then fill in the details for the username, domain name, and password. Click Continue. Go to the subscription page by clicking Go to Subscription. Enter your created password. Click Install Apps. Select the first option, Microsoft 365 Apps. Download the Microsoft 365 software here and proceed to install it. Once installed, click Close. Now, let's activate Microsoft Office. Search for Word in the Start menu. Click on Word. Sign into your Microsoft account when prompted. Click Sign in or Create Account. Enter your newly created domain account and password. Click Sign in, then OK. And finally, done. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and activated Microsoft Office. Don't forget to subscribe to Skillify for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.